In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a side view mirror cap on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the mirror. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and locate our side view mirrors and its glass. I'm gonna go ahead and put a piece of masking tape on the mirror glass. So just in case during removal, if it does break, it does not shatter everywhere. Then we're just gonna push up on the glass. And we're going to push towards the upper corner, towards the vehicle. We're going to disconnect our two connectors. Going to keep the one on the right to the right side and the one on the left to the left. Now set it aside. Now that our glass is off, we're going to go ahead and locate the 3 T10 Torx screws. Remove those. Set these aside. And now for our mirror motor. I'm going to pry on these two prongs and undo the connector. I'm going to pry these two prongs outwards and remove the connector. Inspect for any corrosion or damage. Then you can set the motor aside. Now I'll be using some needle nose pliers to squeeze these 4 tabs right here, holding this center assembly together. Making sure they come loose. As you can see, it's now coming apart. Now we can move on to the cap. Now I can see my centerpiece is almost apart. So you can see the clips are undone. I'm gonna slide my thumb in here, place the rest of my hand under the mirror, and the other hand on the cap. And I'm gonna pull them apart. As you can see, there's a cap. And we can set it aside. As you can see, our centerpiece came loose as well, so I'm gonna re-secure it. With the same 4 tabs, just press down until you hear the clicks. Now for my mirror cap, I'll do the same. Just line it up. And press down until you hear the clicks. Make sure it's secure. Now for my window motor. Secure the clip. This side faces towards the cutout, so just simply slide it over and clip it in. Make sure both tabs are fully securing the connector. Now we can install the motor. So the motor could go on only one way. As you can see, it's perfectly flush and all the holes are aligned. Now I'm going to reinstall my 3 T10 screws. Now I'm just going to snug these down. Now to install our mirror. So this right connector goes on the right side. Make sure it's firmly secure. And the left one on the left. Now we're going to align our motor in the middle. So make sure it's firmly flush. This is going to give us a better time installing our glass. Now we're going to align the glass and push down. Make sure it moves freely in the housing. And that completes our install. Now go ahead and test mirror functionality. Make sure it goes up and down, side to side without any binding. And thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.